Today I am going to tell you how to make the car of Mechanix. We have to take out this nut and bolt. And now the nut bolt driver. And now with the help of a nut bolt driver, we have to take out this and then this and then this. We have to take out this and it is from here, and it longer one is from here, and this is from here. This is a longer one and this is a shortened one. We have to leave 2 lines from the last and take this, and like this we have to put it, and then this nut. See, we have to go in, and then this in this hole we have to put this in. And now this nut. And now this nut driver, we have to round it, and when it come on your finger, so it is fit. And now this from last circle. And now this longer one from the last circle. And again we have to leave 2 line. 2 circle. And then go a nut bolt in this and in the last. And now fit it here. And now this nut. And now we have to tight it. And now this is perfect, and we have to tight it, and here also we have to tight. And now this AB minus 5, and now this, and now the A minus 5, and now the A minus 5. Here, and put it here, and take the bolt in, and then nut in the back, and then round it. So it is tight, and you have to leave a 4 line space. I am going to tell you now, like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now tight it. we have to fit the nut. In the back we have to fit the nut again and then tighten it. And we have to leave again the 4 circle space, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this two ones, AB minus 5, AB minus 5. In a one, we have to not leave a one circle, and in a just now it is fit. And now we have to tie the nut bolt. And now we have to leave the one space. One circle space. One and one. Here we have to tie the nut bolt. This is bolt. And the back a nut. And now we have to use this flexible. SS minus 9. SS minus 9. This flexible. It is flexible. And we have to leave a last one circle and then tighten nut. And now this is ready. First para is complete. Now we have to do the second para. We have to use this ALB minus 7 and leave a one space from here, and then we have to put this ALB minus 7. And now we have to do a last finishing touch. And now we have to use again the flexible one. and this flexible one. And we have to leave the one circle space, and from the second circle we have to put the bold. And in the third